Hi, to create GIFs using camera on Samsung Galaxy S25, all you have to do is to open your camera app first and make sure that you're in photo mode. Now tap this four dots icon right here and then tap settings. And right now we need to scroll to find this tap swipe shutter button too. And from take burst shot photos, we need to switch to create GIFs like that. And then you need to go back into your camera and let me show you the magic. You need to swipe camera shutter button down, move your camera a bit to take perfect GIF. So let's just try to do this again. I'm going to point the camera at this plant, swipe it down like that, and this is the result. So GIFs is like actually short videos. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.